welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a hairstyles video. I'm going to show you a couple hairstyles that I like to do. I like to wear a lot of like braided hairstyles and I get a lot of questions on how to do them, so I wanted to show you guys. This one in particular I do get a lot of questions on whenever I wear it. I usually wear it with my hair curled, but today I wash my hair, so I don't like to curl it on the day that I wash it. I like to just kind of like let it set. And then I will curl it on day 2. So I didn't curl it for this hairstyle, but it does look really cute straight. So this is one that you guys will be seeing how to do. So I think there were like 4 hairstyles or 5. I showed how to do like a messy bun, but again, a messy bun works a lot better with dirty hair, but I wanted to show you guys like the technique I use to create it, but it looks better when your hair is dirty. So just keep that in mind. A lot of these hairstyles do look better when you have dirty hair, especially like braided ones, because it just looks more textured when you have dirty hair, if that makes any sense. But if you guys want to see how to recreate this hairstyle and also a couple more, then let's just jump right in. So this hairstyle is actually super easy, like so simple. I actually, when I was in hairdressing school 10 years ago, actually was kind of just messing around with my hair, and I kind of like created this braid. I mean, I didn't create this braid by myself. Like, I'm sure so many other people have done it. It's kind of like a twist braid. So you're getting a kind of braid effect, but you're just kind of twisting it. It's not just like a twist like this. You guys will see what I'm talking about, but this is so easy, and I used to wear this hairstyle so much in high school. Like, this was my go-to hairstyle. Let's get into it. It's actually really easy. So what you want to do is part your hair on the side that you normally part it on, or you could do the other side. I mean, whatever works for you. I switch my part a lot, so today my part's on this side, so I'm going to do the twist going this way. So what you want to do is just kind of measure out your part like about 1 inch, and you want to bring that hair down like this and clip this hair out of the way. You don't have to clip it, you can kind of just put it in back of you. So this is the hair that we're going to be working with. So this hairstyle, so easy, but it's so cute. What you want to do is take a section in the front like this, and you want to split this into 2. So what you're going to do is take this piece on the outside and you're going to tuck it underneath. But when you tuck it underneath, you're going to grab more hair, bring it back up, and then tuck this piece underneath. And then you're going to do the same thing. You're going to take this piece, you're going to grab some hair, and you're going to bring it over and tuck this under. So it should look kind of like this, where you can kind of see like a gap here. So you're going to hold this piece again, take this piece, and you're going to grab hair here, and you're going to bring the other piece under. So when you loosen it, it should look like that. You're going to do the same thing. Take hair, tuck this under. And this is up to you, but you can decide where you want this to stop. You could either take it and bobby pin it right here so that when your hair falls, it kind of goes over, which is what I like to do. So I'll show you. I like to take the bobby pin, open it up, and put it into the braid. Like that. It keeps the braid so snug, like it's not going to go anywhere. And I kind of like the look when the hair kind of drapes over it like that. So that is how I used to wear my hair in high school all the time. Like, this was my go-to hairstyle. Sometimes I would bring it down all the way, but here I showed you guys that I kind of left hair out. If you guys want to do that, then you can definitely do that. You can also amp this hairstyle up and take the hair that's kind of coming over it and turn this into a kind of like half up, half down style. So you can take the hair, take your little hair tie, and just wrap it around so you have kind of like this half up, half down hairstyle. I like to also kind of tighten it and push it up so that it kind of looks like you have a little bit of volume going on, so it looks kind of like that. I think this hairstyle is so cute, so easy. Like, I'm telling you, it is so simple. It's not like a normal braid, but it kind of gives you like a braided effect, as you can see. But it's not like a twist, because it doesn't just look like one big like twist. It kind of separates, and I think when you put your hair half up like this, it gives it like a different, like it looks like you tried a lot harder on your hair than you actually did. It's really not that difficult. So that is this hairstyle. Alright, so for this hairstyle, I'm just going to part my hair down the middle. Alright, so you are going to need 2 little elastic hair ties. So what it is just 2 braids, and I will show you guys how to do that so you can part your hair down the middle. So what you're going to do is on the top of your eyebrow arch, you want to make another line, and this is going to be the section of your braid. So what I like to do is just fold my hair back so that it's out of my way. And this is going to be our section here. So it's about 2 inches here. Take the other hair and push that out of my face as well. So what you're going to do is take the first section here, and you are going to split it into 3. And you're going to do a braid, but what we're going to do is a French braid, but we're going to go underneath. So we're going to take this section and put it underneath, and then take this section and put it underneath, and then we're going to start incorporating hair. So you're going to take hair from this section and put it under here, and then you're going to do the same thing on this side. Take hair, and you want to make sure you're pulling the braid tight as you're doing this, because we don't want it to be loose. So once you are at like the back of your head, I like to take my hair tie and I like to tie this off. So that is one section complete. Now you're going to do the same on the other side. So you're going to take about a 2-inch section. You're going to do the same thing. You're going to take a section, part it into 3, and tuck everything underneath. Alright, so now you have your 2 little braids here, and personally I think this hairstyle looks good with straight or curly hair, but I feel like when it's curled it gives it like a little bit of a twist. So what you can do now is adjust these braids. So if you want them to be a little bit looser, you can kind of pull them apart, but I don't like to do this too much just because for this look I kind of like it to look like this. So you can kind of just adjust what you like. So that is what this hairstyle looks like. I think it looks really cute. It's different. It reminds me of like the Spice Girls or something. I don't know. I just think it's super cute and kind of spices up a look instead of wearing your hair just straight, or instead of wearing it just like pulled back out of your face. Alright, so for this next style, this is going to be kind of similar to the other hairstyle that I showed you with the 2 braids, but it's not going to be straight back. It's going to be kind of going out this way. This one I get a lot of questions on as well when I wear it in my Instagram, so I figured I would show you guys. It's pretty much the same thing that we did, except I'm taking a section kind of on an angle like this, so it's kind of like that instead of going straight back. So I wear this one most often because I just like it. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to go under and we're going to grab hair, except this is going to be more going on an angle, like I said. So you're going to take hair on the angle and you're just going to go under. So that it should look something like this. And then you're going to take your hair tie and we're going to tie this off. So that is how that one looks. It's a little bit more on like the thicker side as the other one we did was just straight back. This is kind of going on an angle, and I like to wear this hairstyle when my hair is curled. So again, we're going to take the hair on a diagonal like this. So under, grab hair, And then that is what it looks like. This one I personally wear more than the other one that goes straight back because that one just looks a little more kind of like sleek. I like this one because it just gives you a little bit more like volume, and I like to tighten them so that they kind of like pop out like little pigtails. This one reminds me of Sporty Spice. I wear this one a lot with my hair curled, and this look looks so cute with straight or curled hair. Next hairstyle is definitely going to work better with dirty hair, so this might not work, but I'm going to try it anyway because I have a technique that I want to show you guys that gives me a perfect messy bun. So what you're going to need is one of these. So if you don't know what these are, they're called a bobble, and this is what I use to put my hair up at all times. If I'm at the gym, if I just want to wear my hair up, I don't use regular hair ties anymore. And this just works great for getting different like texture in your bun, and also it doesn't leave dents in your hair. So if you have not tried a bobble, definitely check one out. You can find them pretty much anywhere. So what I'm going to do is start by gathering all my hair up. I don't like to have like all my hair up. I like to leave little pieces down. So like I said, this works better with dirty hair because mine's freshly washed, so I don't know if it's going to cooperate with me. But I like to just gather all of my hair like this. And then you want to put it in the ponytail like this, but you want to twist it around so that you have a little bit of this hair hanging out. And then you're going to take this hair and wrap this around and then come back over with it. I know that might have seemed really complicated, which I'm sure it was. I like to just pull like pieces down so it doesn't look like so perfect. So this is what the bun looks like. It comes out different every time, but it gives you that like perfect little bun, as you can see, but it looks so much cuter when your hair is dirty, I promise. But like I said, I like to like have little hairs down and have it kind of messy, but that is what it looks like from the side. I think that it's so easy. Doing that little extra step just really makes the bun look kind of nice, but it also gives it a messy look. So that is how I get my messy bun. Okay, so this next hairstyle, what I'm going to do is part my hair kind of far over on this side, kind of like this. What we're going to do is do a couple braids here on this side. So what you're going to want to do is do the same thing. Take like an inch parting though this time because I want to fit like 2 or 3. You want to do the same exact thing that you did on the top for the top braids, but instead we're just doing it on this side. You want to take very small sections like this, and you're going to do the same thing. You're going to put the hair under. So now what you're going to do is take a bobby pin and you want to open it up. If you guys have a bobby pin that's the color of your hair, then that's best. That way you don't see it. But so you want to open it up and place it behind the braid and push it in. And this is going to keep it in place. So now what you're going to do is just do another one. I'm actually going to move my part so it's not that far over, and I'm just going to do a small one right here. This is what it looks like. So if you wanted to, you could do another braid right here, just right above your ear, so that you really have like that slicked back kind of look. But personally, I like to keep a little bit of hair down. I just think it's super cute. Gives you like a different kind of effect. It kind of looks like badass. From this side, you just look kind of normal, pretty, whatever. And then it's just like on this side, it's kind of like badass, chic type of look. The style looks really cute when your hair is curled as well. So that is that style right here. Those were all the hairstyles that I wanted to show you guys. I hope that you enjoyed them and found them helpful and try them out. These are hairstyles that I just like to do just to kind of amp up my hair a little bit and not be so boring. Let me know down below if you guys want to see other hair tutorials, certain hair tutorials that you want me to do. Let me know. Don't forget to subscribe if you guys have not already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!